Ebushama mema akwaba enfa umbra Ghana Nsem TV GH mestra or sell like a comment subscribe then no notification so that every day I post a video biano or some kabe me damose.
Why na on person obe than Beyonce? When this was sia form masile queens are here we will by heart edit talking say ma business class crampo yen tem ma won ko have experience. Money ya net economic class. Why na nka munya Beyonce ni lifestyle anka mombe. Why na nka wunya Jay-Z anka mombe. Insi tesemel akase mahama nko tenase when ne nkronza Beyonce. Eya insult. And I'm more born away. More than a police cause said they are more titino. And you are paying bloggers to constantly lie to the public. Adia na ye kase broni di ye. That is what John Dramani Mahama is doing to innocent citizens. Adia ye friend in neo-colonialism. And they say abrofu di diye and no and a John Dramani Mahama di innocent Ghanaians. Nipa na ndidi watem. Nipa na nka wo samboni bia na wakotua blogger ka na wa mo police fo chi nipa na kotumu na wo twan trauma Ghana for all of this a history and repeating itself and then Libya for su because of Gaddafi. But this was what they did to Gaddafi. Nia Mahama de Camilla and no de Gaddafi. They lied to the people of Libya and say, Gaddafi bomb chrono. Gaddafi ye omo boni. And omo sorry etiaye. Ain't no white brony chi. Gaddafi diko she muno. Na Libyans a bajiso. But no omo nime say. That was what they obroni. Anytime that a great person will be taken down, this is the trend. Ye ba bontini na ye chantro e dia to nipa ne so se wadi boni wa ye say na entro abedane no kore na innocent people will get hurt ebi ni Camilla video wa ya a trending omodi chi no eno na wutie no na wo betia kosi na waka wakọ wankasa wudem wakọtena ho adwene ho hemfa na wadidi natem but enam bongo ideas de nam say wadidi mahama tem wa accuse mahama ya tia bloggers for ho ka no mo di ne ho ya abra on ye hwe o ye very innocent.
What's all from my your friends say and one from omo nye adwuma no wo de be mo nkofofofo from assembly from sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakoji loan na breast sanitation for mo fa nye hwe na wo ba je fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sakohwe no sakoshi tata you show to so na baby shi hey who ya dey o nkwa ho ba e ja hihie e Mr. Pad
we no enye Camilla nkwa na ekan Jantua sister was a Jantua himfo sama me abere wan ono kura ko television ko tena so ka se won tia si die ntia NPP betina mamuo mu a bibi ti se insuo eni eja enhye but NDC fo betina mamuo mu a na insuo fa nipa na eja ehye nipa eno tena ho no accuse NPP se omo attack NDC mo ankofa Jantua mo ankofa no ena wei aso akabi ono krampon kan te se wa accuse ki je se onkwa obaye yantena na mahama se wo bad luck na obetina mamuomu a inso kranto ha yantena na mahama ko campaign ko ka se NDC amamuo bad luck inso kranto yantena na mahama ko boko e ko ka kire boko fo se anytime NPP is in power there is fighting boko enti bone be na Camilla nswaye so no so ka se onkwa so ne mapanyina obetina so de bia nsuo chi eja hyi nipa na nsuo fa nipa no kra na anya no kra akola be na obebo June 3rd na onimi ne akoso akola be na ewo Ghana wo po June 3rd disaster onimi ne esiye a lot of people over 160 Eshre omunkwa. Under John Dramani Mahama. And the same political gimmicks he's saying today, he said it. Nanu ya, otanaho. I say we shouldn't behave like the vulture that say I will roof my house when the rain start falling. Go back to 2015. That was his words. A fragadam loose talker. 2015. Our orders were a whole 2 years before he will leave power. And June disaster destroyed people and killed people. People got burned sitting in their car. Yena yeshe video no. Na meniati na mawie SHS. Ame boabo ame ho ame de beko. Tertiary. June 3rd disaster. People sat in their cars and got burnt to ashes. Some people have been disabled from June disaster up till date. What someone says, how would they form Mahama way compensation? He came to the public and lied to people that he never gave it to them. All of the budget he drew that he was going to support victims among for businesses collapsing so far businesses or the year propaganda ejisikani die senye nipa ye juma 3 years awajedi senye wotimi tamagana for the year IMF ekoji high interest loan owia na wababe dinade na wakachiro say confirm to akobokina faso ye hu we nyina. But fast forward from it, flood and asi 2024. A dear na mahama anka. A dear na one churo. Or ye bachiri everywhere. One of your idiots made a video and say, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bomia, no nante bachiri. When ye bachiri Saint John Dramani Mahama. It would do 46 happy week. John Romani Mahama yenipa on nante kura on yan nante yankwa no nante bachire or kasa bachire or type bachire or in fact on nante bachire busybody with no impact. That is John Dramani Mahama. Busybody with no impact. Jack of all trades, master of none. That is him. Oh, who problem yes or nim solving. In some now, what can edifa flood in way or can year 2015? Videos no waho. Evidence, mona mope evidence. Yeah, the evidence no cry betcha wa muntimin counter. No more be man no kwasi aba. And no. And that is where we always want to reduce any NDC selfish local champion to the extent where you will be say your only thing will be to say kwasi aba. Into bonebe na Camilla ye. Enye mahama nkwa na ye nipa wo ba ya se keleshi insu ofa nipa. Se wo president dia wono so ba ya asi no fa ne bra. Na mo nkwochi jantoa. Because jantoa kra so aka se onti ase de enti a NDC apenso nkwa na sa asem fun we esi. Na enye NPP NDC ni bia so John Dramani Mahama in particular. Mo nko bisa John Dramani de enti a ye de ni si so a oka se Ghana is in serious trouble. Ye prayers and fasting. Ono nkwa na hu boni a wokodi. Inti se Camilla aka se ono nkwa na ye president a wobetena so a eja ehye ya insu ofa nipa. Where is the lie? Ghana for. Where is the lie? Mo betena kotuko steady etiti ni say. Where is the lie?
Professing through as a water part. It's like your idea. What is a part now? Never hear Bibiamo. And to us no work is in
one to part now, Cosran Kisiana. Video no damn page. Auto part to say, Esomu or Seresre. Why ya now? Why? It's a more modern namo, extra headline say Camilla dintro and trouble in a wedding. E wudi fu amoti Ghana mamuwom mo na mo bo Ghana boni na so mu hunda Yesterday, blogger will go and sit down and be acting as if ono na Ghana, ono na ye neutral. All of you today, you are peddling lies about your colleague citizen. The next generation will come and they will see all of these videos. But more supporting a government or teaching because of your selfish interest, because you are tisika di asha wansa. When in past idea who post says Camilla didn't attempt, one didn't attempt. And no krena na waka abo bibiasu from A to Z. And aya moya keke. And no mo sen sen bonina mwadino Ghana niye baby. Into more kotua ni pat bi say omo fa bontene no omo be church say Camilla wa didi mahama tem. So that you go and then put her in your dark room, warn her, torture her, torment her to keep quiet. And you come to the public and say, she pleaded guilty. Pleaded guilty to what? What were the offenses you told Camilla for her to plead guilty? We want to know. More trust our pleading guilty to all the crimes. We want to know the crimes you accuse her of. Our pleading guilty. All you did in that dark room is torture her, threaten to kill her. That is the only way he will plead guilty. Because the video now mo de cheno and no na me bochira Ghana for. He only second to your torture. She only agreed to do your biddings. She only laid her sword down because she now knows she's fighting with a devil. Somebody that has no respect for life. Somebody that have no respect for the rule of law. Somebody that have no respect for humanity. And that is not guilt. And not guilt. That is fighting the enemy in wisdom. And say, I want every young Ghanaian that you will go to any bot of blogger. I will say, ya trust a Camilla pleaded guilty.